Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning some of the tips and tricks to optimize our decision control code. And in today's class, which is the last one on this concept or chapter, is to use negation. Now we have seen when we write the code, we say, let's take an example where we say there is a decision control here. I'm drawing a quick flowchart and saying A is greater than 10. Then you want to do something. If it is true, if it is false, you want to do something else. Let's say we want to say when A is greater than 10, you want to say X equal to 5. And when it is other way around, you want to say Y equal to Y plus 1. I also want to say one more statement here. Let's say this time I'll say A equal to 6. And then we'll get out of this whole if else block. We'll continue. Now, if we have to translate this code in Java, it's going to be pretty straightforward. We'll say if Boolean expression A greater than 10, we'll say X equal to 5. Else, we'll have two statements here, Y equal to Y plus 1 and A equal to 6. Actually, I flipped it, but I did it intentionally. If you notice here, these two set of lines should have been here because when A is greater than 10 is true, these two lines should have been here. Y equal to Y plus 1 and A equal to 6. And these two lines should have been in the else block because it is a false here. Now, how do we fix this line? I can copy paste this on the up in the true block and move X equal to 5 in the else block or false block. But rather than doing that, we can also change the condition itself. Rather than saying A is greater than 10, what is the exactly opposite of A equal to greater than 10? It will be A less than equal to 10. So one of the way to handle this is to change the condition itself. We can say A is less than equal to 10. So if A is less than equal to 10, then this becomes true and this becomes false. We exactly flip this whole model. By changing the condition, that now the true side will become false and false side will become true side. So in some cases, you will notice or you will need to use this technique. So rather than changing the block, you can simply change the condition. As long as condition makes sense and condition is easy. If it is very complex Boolean expression, then you don't want to do that because you may mess up with the logic. But go ahead and try this and learn. You should have this in your pocket, this tool in your pocket to play and apply wherever you need it. That's all in this class and in fact on this chapter or unit. In the next unit, we will start iterations. I'll see you guys there. Happy practicing. Continue to practice and make yourself better.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.